Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make Zo sauce sambal a la Hongkong, updated. Start by rehydrating dried scallops and shrimp in warm water until soft, then finely shred them. Mince garlic, shallots, and large chilies into uniform pieces to ensure even cooking. Toast and grind a small handful of sesame seeds and set aside. Measure oil and seasonings carefully, as precise ratios make a consistent batch every time. Gently heat neutral oil over medium-low heat and sweat the minced shallots and garlic until translucent and fragrant, taking care not to brown them. Add the dried seafood blend and diced cured ham, stirring slowly so each piece crisps and releases rich flavors. Stir in chili paste and continue cooking until the mixture becomes cohesive and glossy. Taste and adjust with salt, a touch of sugar, and a splash of sesame oil to finish. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your drives pleasant and focused while you rehearse flavors mentally. I place the link and other deals in the description below, so check them out if interested, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Allow the Zo sambal to cool to room temperature before spooning it into clean, sterilized jars to avoid condensation and spoilage. Seal jars tightly and label with the date, then refrigerate for up to 3 months or freeze in small portions for convenience. This versatile sauce elevates stir-fries, noodles, and sandwiches, and works beautifully as a dipping sauce or a flavor boost in marinades and dressings to add depth and heat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.